Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really nice air purification system. Now this one is actually really cool because it can actually purify up to almost 4,000 square feet, which is huge. But more importantly, it can do up to 350 square feet, cycle the entire air within about 12 minutes. So it's going to completely clean up that air, and it shows you how it's doing it while it's working. On the front, it actually has a nice parts per million indicator that shows how clean the air is in real time, because this has a sensor built into the back. And anywhere up to the 50 parts per million, you're going to be in the green zone, which just means we've got some clean air that we are breathing, which is fantastic. As it gets worse, or if you have smoke or pets, things like that, this can go up, and when it does, it can also purify the air quicker if it's set on auto. You've actually got 3 separate fan settings, and right now, can you hear that? Well, you might not be able to because it's on, but it is extremely quiet. We can go ahead and turn the fan up to the maximum here to 3. Even so, on 3, it's not extremely loud. It is certainly louder because it's pushing a lot more air, a lot more CFMs out of there through this double-sided intake. You've got an intake in the front and in the back of this unit, so it's sucking air from all sides. You also have a sleep mode on there that's going to make it extremely quiet for when you sleep. You have a child lock and ability to do a 1, 2, 4, and 8 hour timer on there, which is nice as well. Gosh, on sleep mode, I can barely hear that on. I mean, that is barely on, but it's still moving some air. And this is one of the nicer filters that I've seen, guys. This actually is a very large filter. It's a true HEPA filter in the back of this thing. It's a 4-layer filter that can pull off out here. Let me pull this guy out of here so that you can see this thing. You can easily wipe off the outside screen on this, and then it does have a carbon filter and a true barrel style HEPA filter that is huge, you guys. This thing is going to last a while. I'm going to move a lot of air through that true HEPA filter. You've got your sensor right there on the back that's built in. I mean, this thing is going to cover a lot of square footage, and it can do a lot smaller square footage in just a fraction of the time, which is really fantastic. So this is going to work well for pretty much any home, especially if you've got smokers or pets in your home and needing to clean that air. This not only does it, but it shows you how it does it.